Hi, it's Rex from the Roaming Rountree, and we're back with another cabin tour today. We are on the Norwegian Gem, and we're going to look at an owner suite. This is Black Diamond, room 15,000. This is an owner suite. Come on, let's go check it out. All right, immediately you walk in, and you see the little bar area. You've got espresso coffee maker. Always love that in these Haven rooms. Here's your refrigerator. Pre-stocked. And all sorts of drawers and areas for you to store things and extra coffee. Some extra power outlets over here, should you need them. Back here you see this sofa, seating area. This is a big room. This is beautiful. You see through here, you got a good view overlooking the pool. Television. Get to that big bed here in a moment. But of course, with all of the Haven rooms, you can ask your butler to set up all these nice little amenities, some M&Ms and gummy bears for you to munch on during the day. Nice large desk for you to spread out. You can see all of the things that they leave for you. This is a nice touch. This is actually a DVD player. So if you want to bring some DVDs with you, you can watch movies. More drawers down here for storage. Give you a good shot of the room there. Then of course, the nice king size bed, super soft. Down here you've got your lighting controls. If we look here, there is power back here, but you're gonna have to dig for it. It's not up on top of the nightstand there, but it is there if you need to charge your devices. Same on this side. Lamp is plugged in. You can steal that power outlet and use that for your devices as well. So the big bathroom closet area here, there's a vanity immediately as you walk in. Hello. There's some power outlets too. You've got a European one and a North American one. This is where your hair dryer is, so no need to bring one of those. They provide that for you. And then of course, plenty of shelf space to store anything you may bring with you. More drawers. This room is full of storage, so you've got all the space you need to spread out and unpack while you enjoy your cruise. Look at that. You've got two safes. They're on the smaller side, so I'm not sure you're going to fit your laptops in there, but any of your smaller items, jewelry, that type of thing, passports, those will all fit in there nicely. Got a lot of hangers there. Again, storage everywhere in this room. You've got tons of storage. Look at these drawers. That one slammed. All right, and now we keep going further in. Here's the shower area. There's a rainfall shower. There's a handheld. There's the premium bath products that the Haven provides you. And then right next to that is a toilet area with a telephone in it. So if you need to make calls while you're doing your business, then you can do that in here. Looking at the sink, we've got a double vanity here with space up above for extra storage. So you can spread out, put all of your items up there and away from the sink, but you've got two, so you don't have to share the sink area. Down below, trash can area. And again, we keep talking about it, but look, more storage under the sink. So you can bring anything you want, it seems like, and it will fit in this room. And look at that, there's a tub. So if you are a soaking tub person, this is the room for you. Towels, large tub, a little TV up there to watch while you're enjoying that. And then the luxury bathrobes that you get in the Haven. Fantastic room. All right, we're not done yet. We've got one more thing to check out. Let's look at that balcony. That's right. Huge balcony space out here. You can have parties up here, invite your friends, and there's plenty of room to spread out. There's a 4-chair table here for you to have room service perhaps. There's your own private Haven chairs where you can spread out, soak up the sun, just enjoy that sea going by. And then your own personal hot tub spa. What a fantastic room. And then of course, as we saw before, you are overlooking the main pool area, so you can see everything that's going on down there. This is just an amazing room.
Hi! Thanks for watching. If you've liked this video or you want to keep following along to all of our other videos, please like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. Also, right down below you'll see a phone number. And this is the phone number to call us, your Norwegian experts, to book your next cruise. Either in a suite as beautiful as this or any of their other lovely staterooms. So just give us a ring and we'll take care of it for you. For now, thank you very much. Happy trails.